All right, all set on the Rockoplane. We're going in the other direction, I think. So just for reference, if I leave it like this, it could swing freely. So I could just lean back and forth like this. Or if I pull it, it'll actually lock in place. And I could do a full-on inversion. So yeah, gonna kind of just have fun on this. So like I'm gonna lean back and forth right now. Try and do a flip. Oh God. Ah. Oh. Ah. Oh my God. Woo. Ah. Ah, so close. Woo. Ah. Yay! I did a front flip. Whee! And I walk it. Oh, God. Oh. Woo! I'm suspended basically upside down right now. Phoenix is going, so that's pretty cool. Whee! And here we go. Whee! Pull. Ah! Ah! Whee! Ah! Oh my God! Ah! Woo! Oh my God. It's like a metal bar going into my thigh. Oh. Woo. All right. Take a break. Try and do a full inversion. Whee. Oh God. Ah. Ah. This sort of full loop there. Ooh, this is exhausting actually. You can see Phoenix a bit. Try and shake it a bit more. Wow, that was an intense ride. Well, thank you for joining me on my first ever ride on a Rockoplane. That was very intense. I'm just gonna chill here now for the remainder of it.